Wall tiles offer homeowners and businesses an excellent way to enhance their spaces with both style and practicality. These versatile products come in multiple materials, including ceramic, porcelain, glass, and natural stone. You can choose from various finishes like matte, glossy, or textured surfaces to match your specific design vision. The customization options extend to colors and layouts, making it easy to create a unique look for any room. The durability of wall tiles makes them particularly valuable in high-moisture environments like bathrooms and kitchens. They resist water damage while providing a clean, modern appearance that's easy to maintain. The protective qualities of wall tiles help preserve your walls from moisture-related issues that could otherwise cause expensive repairs down the road. Installation quality matters significantly for long-term performance. The process requires precision and careful alignment to ensure tiles adhere properly and last for years. Professional installers focus on meticulous craftsmanship, guiding clients through each step and providing personalized service tailored to individual project requirements. Understanding the difference between floor and wall tiles helps in making appropriate selections. Floor tiles are built for durability and heavy foot traffic, requiring strength and non-slip surfaces for safety. Wall tiles prioritize decorative appeal and can feature intricate patterns like mosaics, since they don't need to withstand the same physical stress. Successful tile design requires attention to several key factors. Material selection should balance your aesthetic preferences with practical durability needs. The finish you choose adds depth and character to your space. Consider the specific requirements of each room to ensure both functionality and visual appeal work together effectively. Professional guidance proves valuable in achieving cohesive results that blend style with practicality. Consultations are available both in-studio and in-home, with affordable pricing on high-quality tiles. For immediate assistance or to schedule an appointment, you can contact them at 720-586-4391.